Hello everyone, welcome to this live show. Today I'm going to show you something very cool and you better keep your eyes on and don't transfer. Founded in 2008, XCMG Excavator is a cool pioneer enterprise of XCMG. Products covers from 1.5 tons to 700 tons series hydraulic excavator. So far, XCMG has become the service-oriented manufacturer of excavator with the strongest R&D and the most complete production series and the most advanced manufacturer in China. And now we come to the intelligent middle-sized excavator structure workshop. It's divided into two areas, north and south. There are 8 welding lines and all of them undertake the production task of 4 structure parts of 13 tons to 40 tons excavator. And now we come to the structural workshop. In this workshop, 90% of welding job is completed by robots, realizing automatically distribution of materials to the working station and continuous production. And just you say, a few people are working here. The structure workshop is equipment with the film connection system. The system which comprehensively uses convection booming, source capture, and high-efficiency filtering technology. All of them make the concentration of particles in the working areas is less than 2 nanograms per cubic meter. On our left hand is the form welding line production. The system can automatically identify a form model, assign robots, and adjust welding procedure. In this process, the RGV trailing is moves work pieces up and down and transport it automatically, realizing unmanned, automatic, and efficient operation in timely. So on the same time, the continuous welding technology of T-shape is used to effectively reduce defectors.
Thanks, my colleague. Now it's my turn to take you a visit in the XCMG Automotive Division. Founded in 2015, XCMG Automotive Division has been through a very quick development, which makes XCMG a leader in the truck industry. This factory represents the most high-end truck manufacturing techniques in the world. Here, we are at the stamping section of the production line. As is known to all, the stamping techniques determine the quality of one truck. XCMG has invested more than 1 billion RMB only in this section. Here we have 14,000 square meters with all the production line fully enclosed. What's more, all the production lines are automatically transferred without any of the manual operations. We have 2,400 ton pressing machine and 3 1,000 pressing machines. All the workpieces are transferred by German KUKA robots with a speed up to 8 units per minute. Okay, hope you can enjoy the next visit. Thanks.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to XCMG Road Machinery Division, which is the world's largest road construction and maintenance machinery manufacturing base. Here you can see the world's most advanced and complete products such as compaction machinery, melting machinery, mixing machinery, smoothing machinery, maintenance machinery, and so on. So on my right hand side now is the roller assembly line, which is the top at Asian. XCMG roller is the champion single products at the road machinery industry at China. And we keep our self-leading position for 34 years. In 1916, XCMG produced Chinese first steam rollers. After 16 years development, we can produce more than 100 models in 6 series, such as the world's largest 39 metric ton hydraulic loader, and sales volume for loader above 18 tons is #1 globally. And in 2018, the production of loader had exceeded to 100,000. And with the updates of the technology on the assembly line, right now we can produce more than 10,000 units per year. Now let's come to the Paver assembly line. This is our Paver assembly line with a total length of 80 meters, and the yearly output is 1,000 units. Here, we produce more than 3 models and 7 series pavers. XCMG's paver has keeping our leading position on sales for 23 years. At the first quarter of this year, XCMG's paver has reached a market share of 14%, which is a historic breakthrough, and the market share for large capacity pavers has increased by 20%. So that's the assembly line for loaders and pavers. Thank you so much, and my colleague will see the rest of assembly lines at the factory. Thank you for your attention.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to XCMG. I'm glad to see you here, and it's my pleasure to show you the largest and the most advanced motor grader manufacturer base in Asia. And XCMG motor grader has been the sales leader in Chinese domestic industry in the last 13 years. Okay, let's start today's tour. Please follow me. In front of us is the assembly line of motor grader. This assembly line consists of one main assembly line of 108 meters long and 9 sub-assembly lines for components. And the annual output is up to 3,000 units, including 8 major categories and more than 30 variants. And this assembly line has reached the advanced and industry-leading level due to its inflexible assembling, intelligent control, and the digitalized management. And the punctual and the cycle-based production are ensured, and both of the labor efficiency and the production qualities are guaranteed. Okay.
Hello everyone, I'm Qin Tianliang from XCMG Earthmoving Manufacturing Business Unit. Next, I'm going to introduce the intelligent manufacturing base of large tonnage loaders of the XCMG. The base covers an area of 220,000 square meters. It's the largest single integrated plant in the loader industrial. The assembly plant we are in now covers an area of 52,000 square meters, and it's composed of source assembly line, north assembly line, and a storage area and a large tonnage assembly line. The large tonnage assembly line is responsible for the assembly of 6 or larger tonnage loaders and special orders. The Chinese biggest loader, LW 1400K, was assembled here. The storage area is a waiting area after all the processed parts are completed. The online dictation area is mainly used to test the performance of the whole machine. After the whole machine is offline, it will be tested here. And look, above us is the product put chain convey system. The total length of this convey system is 11 kilometers. In the mid-air, these processed parts will be offline at the corresponding stations on both sides according to the CNC instructions and transported to the corresponding process in the logistic transshipment area on the ground. We configure a large number of AGV which can achieve accurate distribution. And then, look, on my left hand is the source assembly line. which mainly produces 4 series of 3 tons loaders, and my right-hand side is the Northern assembly line, which mainly produces 5 tons loaders and LNG natural gas loaders. The 2 lines are 180 meters, which can achieve about 100 units daily output. The above is the introduction I brought to you. Next, the camera exchange to the host.